In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take screenshot in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a clean image from any part of a PDF and paste it wherever you need it. First, open Adobe Acrobat and load the PDF you want to work with. Go to the File menu at the top, choose Open and select your document. Before you take the screenshot, take a quick look at your zoom level. The Snapshot tool captures exactly what you see on screen, so if you want a sharper image, zoom in to 150, 200, or even 300%. This simple tweak can make charts, signatures, and small text much clearer in the final image. Next, let's open the Snapshot tool. If you're using a newer version of Acrobat, click Edit on the top menu and choose Take a Snapshot. If you're on an older version, go to Tools, then select and zoom, and click Snapshot Tool. You'll know it's active when your mouse pointer turns into a crosshair, which is Acrobat's way of saying it's ready to capture. Now capture the area you need. Click and drag to draw a box around the exact content you want, then release the mouse. Acrobat immediately copies that selection to your clipboard. You might see a brief message confirming it's been copied. If the selection wasn't perfect, press Escape to exit the tool, reactivate it, and try again. Remember, the Snapshot tool doesn't save a file by itself, it simply copies the image so you can paste it elsewhere. To use your screenshot, paste it into the destination of your choice. On Windows, press Ctrl+V. On a Mac, press Command+V. You can drop it into a Word document, a simple app like Paint, a design tool such as Photoshop, an email draft, or a chat message. From there, you can resize, annotate, or save the image as needed. For example, in a graphics app, you can export it as a PNG or a JPG, and in Word, you can right-click the pasted image and choose to save it as a picture. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If the screenshot looks fuzzy, increase the zoom in Acrobat and capture again. For clean edges, zoom in a bit and draw your selection carefully. If menu names look slightly different in your version, use the app's search or help bar and look for Snapshot. And as always, be mindful of sensitive or copyrighted content when sharing screenshots. That's it. Open your PDF, activate the Snapshot tool, drag to capture, and paste wherever you need it. Simple, fast, and reliable.